Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my updated nighttime skincare routine. So obviously the first thing that I do is cleanse my skin. I've been absolutely obsessed with this cleanser by Derma. It's just a beautiful hydrating cleanser. It has hyaluronic acid in it. It's just beautiful. It leaves your skin feeling really supple and soft and not that weird kind of tight, dry feeling. I always pat dry my skin. I never use a towel because it's way more hygienic. Okay, so the next thing that I do is use the Cosrx One Step Original Clear Pad. Same as my morning routine, they're a pre-soaked pad in a BHA solution and I just absolutely love them. Okay, so next up is toner, and this is the Reviva Labs Glycolic Acid Facial Toner. Now, glycolic acid is an ingredient that I search for in skincare products because it does such wonders for my skin and skin in general. It actually visibly changes your skin. After using this toner, you wake up with the most beautiful texture and like crystal clear complexion. I absolutely love it. So next thing, I like to layer another toner on top. Now this one is more focusing on hydration. This is the Earth's Recipe Energy Boosting Toner. Like I said, it's just a beautiful hydrating toner. It has a lot of body to it, which I love. Okay, so next up is Essence, and this is the Missha Time Revolution, the first treatment essence. Again, I use this in my morning skincare routine as well. This just basically prepares your skin for all the oncoming products that you're about to apply to your face. And this one is actually a dupe for the SK2 first treatment essence, so don't get that one, get the cheaper one because it's just as amazing in my opinion. Okay, so next up is eye cream. This is the Innisfree Orchid eye cream, definitely my favorite eye cream of all time, and I've tried out quite a few. This one is amazing. The formula, the texture, I just absolutely love it. Okay, so next up we have the Ordinary's Granactive Retinoid 5% in Squalene. You guys, this has blown me away. This product has visibly changed my skin so much. It has helped to unclog my pores, smooth out fine lines. It is something that I will go ahead and repurchase forever. It is amazing. Okay, so next up is oils. Now I have been mixing these two and it creates the most beautiful, guys, the most beautiful nourishing combination. So this is the Derma Anti-Wrinkle Treatment Oil and I mix it with the Ordinary's Marula Oil. Wow, like it is just the most incredible, like I said, nourishing oil combination that I've ever used, and I would recommend this to everyone, dry skin, oily skin, everyone. Okay, so now to lock all of that moisture in, this is my favorite moisturizer in the entire world. It is by Blithe, and this is their Tundra Chaga Press Serum. 60% chaga mushroom, fermented oils. I cannot say enough good things about that moisturizer. Okay, so now this is my favorite spot treatment. It is by Plantation, and this is their Tea Tree Medicated Gel for Acne. You guys know I go on about that all the time. So next up is lip mask. Now this is the best lip mask in the world by Laneige. It is their lip sleeping mask. I cannot survive without putting this on my lips at night. Okay, so that is it, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed watching my updated nighttime skincare routine. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you soon. Bye.